Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about advanced JWT authentication in ASP.NET Core Minimal API. This is part 1, token validation and manual generation. To code with me, you can clone my repository, Secure Weather API, you can find on my GitHub account. It is important to add as a NuGet package system.identitymodel.tokens.jwt. Let's update the appsettings.json, creating the JWT configuration. Create the JWSetting class to map the configuration. Need to bind the JWT settings from the configuration and start to add the JWT authentication. This code secures the application by verifying the JWT token. Only authorized user access resource by validating token authenticity, issuer, audience, and expiration. Let's create the login endpoint. The login endpoint authenticates the user and issue a JWT access token if the credentials are valid. In this example, the username and password are hard-coded for demonstration. In real application, validation will be done against a database or identity provider. If the credentials are valid, the generate access token helper method creates a JWT token. The endpoint returns the token in the response if the user is authenticated. Otherwise, it returns a 401 unauthorized status. In this example, we are going to create a token generation helper method. The generate access token methods creates a signed JWT for the user. Before running the application, we need a valid secret key for signing the token, which must be added to the appsettings.json under the JWT section. We can use the website JWT.io where we can generate and validate a key. I also recommend my tool CodeSwissKnife, where I can validate the JWT token. Let's start the application. Open Swagger in the browser. Let's go to the login endpoint, submit the request, and we will receive a response containing the access token. We need to copy the token. We need to replace the variable access_JWT variable with the access token we received. Let's try to send the request and we will see the weather forecast returned by the API. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.